Hi, welcome to Ganam Academy, where we turn scary math into sweet solutions. So today we are tackling a tough indices question, but it's not that very tough. So we are required to simplify this expression. So we have 8x to the power of 6, y to the power of 3, the whole of it divided by 4, x to the power of 2, and y. And the whole of it squared. So we're going to simplify this. Let's first in this case, so we are going to simplify the inside the bracket first. So starting with the constants, so we have this 8 and 4, it's going to cancel, so it is going to 4, it's going to be 1, and 8, it's going to be 2, so we are going to all over 4, so 8 all over 4, this is going to be 2. So going to the next one, then the power, that is x raised to 6 all over x raised to 2. This simply means to x into bracket 6 minus 2. So we're going to have x raised to 4. So the next one is this y. So we're going to have y minus 1. So we're going to have, this is going to be y square. So we're going to rewrite this so as 2 into multiplied by this x raised to 4 and y raised to 2, and the whole of it, this to be square. So we're going to rewrite 2 square is going to be 4, comma, and this one is going to be x raised to 4 times 2, so we're going to have x to the power of 8. So the next one is y square. So we're going to multiply by 2, so we're going to multiply by 2, so we're going to have y to the power of 4. So the final answer is 4x raised to 8 y raised to 4. So this is the final answer. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ganam Academy for more power-packed lessons just like this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.